Hey everyone, welcome back to Monis AI Unfiltered. Today we are diving into the world of AI agents, tools that can automate your workflow, answer questions and even send emails for you. And guess what? You don't even need to write a single line of code for that. And by the end of this video, you will have your own built AI agent by the help of using n8n, which is a free open source automation platform. So let's get started. But first, let's break down what an AI agent actually is. I want you to think of it like a digital assistant with a brain, powered by a large language model, which is LLM, powered by a large language model like OpenAI, GPT, DeepSeek, Qwen. It can process requests, remember past interactions, and even use multiple tools like Gmail, Google Calendar to take action on your behalf. So today we are going to build an AI agent that is going to send emails on your behalf just with a simple prompt. So now I'm going to take you to my computer screen. So first you need to open a new tab, type n8n and click the first tab over here. Then after that you will see this particular interface over here. Then you just need to sign in and get the complete process done. Then you will have this particular interface over here. I'm just going to open my own workspace over here. So before that, if you just get started for free, you can just complete the process. You can also read through what this n8n does for you. You can also go through what n8n does for you, how it run, tweak, repeat, how you can do over 400 integrations by using this. You can go through all of these things, but I'm done. You don't need to waste time in that. Let's get straight into the automation. So now you're gonna see this black canvas over here. Now we're gonna click on create workflow, and now you're going to see this canvas over here which is saying add first step. The first step for us is going to be setting up a trigger that tells your agent when to activate, and for this project we are going to use on chat trigger. Let's click on add first step over here, then scroll down, click on chat message, just click over here and go to back to canvas. Now you're done with this. And also if you want to just zoom out, then just press Control and you can comfortably do this. Okay, so what does that mean? That means our agent is going to spring out a message when we actually send a message. So now what we need to do, we need to give our agent a brain. That's where the AI agent node comes in. Let's click over here. Let's click on advanced AI and let's click on AI agent. AI agent generates an action plan and executes it. Can use external tools. Let's click over here. Let's head back to canvas. You don't need to do anything over here. And now, as you can see, AI agent, chat model, memory, and tool. Now what we need to do is we need to connect an LLM, the chat model. So now just click on plus over here. Now you have multiple models over here, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna go with OpenAI chat model over here. And now as you can see over here, I have OpenAI already sorted up for me with the API. But still, if you don't have your API key, now go to platform.openai by going over here, and if I will just click over here, then I will be done. But for you need to create new credentials. So as you click on new credentials, you will need to put API key. So now you need to go over here, and as you can see, once you get the login done over here, you will have this particular thing, which is just scroll down. Okay, so now you just need to go on API references, then just scroll down a bit. Okay, so once you come to platform.openai, you just need to click on this icon. So when you come to platform.openai, you just need to click on settings. You will have this interface. Then you just need to go to API keys, and if you have already created your API keys, then awesome. If you don't have, then click on create new secret key, just name it something, and then you will be able to get select project, and then you will be able to get your API key. Once you get your API key, just copy that API key and save it in Notes app, because if you forget it, you will not be able to get from over here. That's not possible. So save that and copy that, and then come to over here and then put over here, and then you will be able to get to this interface, which is OpenAI account. Now you will be done with this. Now as we are done with this, now we need to have memory, because we need to make our agent remember. Without memory, it's going to forget our past conversations and it's going to become hectic for us, and we don't want that thing to happen. And that's where buffer memory comes in. Let me just show you. Click on memory, you have multiple things over here, but just for the sake of this video, I'll go over here and click on window buffer memory. This is easiest for you, and it stores in N8N memory, so no credentials required for you. So that's why I do this. So now just go back to canvas. Okay, now we're done with this. Now we're left with just one thing. You can just move this around over here. So now our AI agent will act like a real human. It can remember everything, and it becomes easy for us. Now it's time for us to come to the real part of this video, which is adding a tool. And you know what tools do? Tools actually, let your agents interact with the outside world. For this demo, we will use Gmail. Let's go over here. Let's click Gmail. Now, if you have not yet set up your Gmail account, which for most of you you might not have done this. So then go over here, click on new credentials. I have already set up this up. Click on new credentials. Just, complete the sign in. It's pretty easy. And then you will be done with this. Go back to canvas. And now we are mostly done with. So now once you set up your Gmail account after signing in, you will have these three things over here: to, subject, and message. So now N8N have done this amazing job, which is you don't need to put something over here from your own end. You just need to click over here, let the model define this parameter. Just do this in all the three over here, and then the model automatically will be defining how to proceed with this. So it becomes pretty easy for you. Now go back to canvas, and you know what this gonna do? This is actually going to tell the agent to actually dynamically, based on your input, generate queries. So I will give you an example. So now we are done with setting this up in well under 5 minutes. Now let's open chat over here. I will just make it a little big for you so that it is visible to you in a much better way. Okay. Now here comes the time. So now what I'm gonna do? Send an email to monisraza489@gmail.com and tell him how amazing his AI channel is and why people should subscribe to it. Let's send this, and as you can see, it's acting. Yeah, I hope you're able to see. It's sending to OpenAI chat model, then Gmail, and then it's done. It's saying note executed successfully. Boom, the AI have just wrote a polite email filled in with the subject line and sent it all in seconds. Now let's check my inbox over here. Let's go to this thing over here, and let's see if we have got the email or not. So here you can see your amazing AI channel. It has figured out. Hi Monis, I just wanted to take a moment to express how amazing your channel is. Your content is not only informative but also incredibly engaging. You break down complex topic and it's done. And you might be no, that's amazing, but let me tell you, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Imagine how many things AI can do for you. It can book meetings for you. It can actually answer customer inquiries with pre-written templates, or even generate reports from spreadsheet data. So the possibilities are endless. So I just want to say one thing, the possibilities are definitely endless. But I want you to start with very, very simple steps. Don't go into complex videos because it's just going to fuck up with your mind. Just go through these videos step by step. I'm going to upload more and more videos on N8N, experimenting with different tools, and things are definitely going to be very, very amazing for you. So for the people who have watched this video till the end, I would like you to subscribe to the channel and like this video and share this video with your friends and family so that they can also start implementing and they can also get benefit from this. I'm definitely going to make a series on N8N, and a lot of other tools so that you can get benefit from AI and you can take your journey to the next level. Also, below you will have my Telegram channel link. Just go over there, join the Telegram channel. You will get a lot of updates so that you can upgrade your knowledge and take your journey to the next level. This channel, it is a project for me from which I just want to help as many people as I can, and people should get aware that AI is the future. AI is not taking your job. AI is actually making you much smarter, and you get the time to be more creative. So get that thing done, and this is the future. So grab your hands, and if you've not yet subscribed, and I will see you in the next video.